Good morning to you and the viewers at home. I'm coming to you live from the Gauteng High Court in Johannesburg, where at about 9:30 a.m. the former President Jacob Zuma, in his capacity as a private prosecutor, will make an appearance in one of the criminal courts here behind us. The purpose of this, despite the interdict that the current president was previously granted by the civil court, is that because the matter is enrolled and it was set to begin here on Thursday on the 19th of January, the former president has to appear to ensure that this matter continues to be enrolled. We understand that he still insists on continuing with this private prosecution. So when they make that appearance in the Gauteng High Court, they'll then articulate to the court what their position is. And because we've already received the date, which is the 17th to the 18th of May, for the president, the current president's challenge of that private prosecution against him, we can expect that when they appear before the criminal court, the former president will request a date after May, the 17th and 18th of May, pending that decision by the civil court in order to proceed with his private prosecution bid. So he is charging the president for an alleged contravention of the NPA Act. He's come up with 3 categories with this theme regarding the alleged disclosure of his health records. The third category being an accessory after the fact of the crime. That is the category that applies to the current president. The former president is alleging that when the current president did not investigate, or rather did not intervene in the manner that he had hoped regarding the alleged breach or alleged leak of those health records by allegedly a senior prosecutor and a journalist, that he failed as a head of state and rather omitted or committed an offense in the fact that he enabled the actual conduct that took place, which he argues compromised the National Prosecuting Authority and by extension the criminal justice system as a whole. So today we are moving slightly away from that matter. That matter will be dealt with, the challenging of that private prosecution will be dealt with in May. Today we're focusing slightly on the criminal proceedings that will take place. That is the enrollment of the matter, the former president appearing as a private prosecutor, his capacity as a private prosecutor, to articulate to the court that there is this current application taking place and we expect that he'll ask for a postponement. There's also an option of actually removing the matter off the roll and dealing with it maybe at a later stage. But we'll see at 9:30 a.m. when those proceedings begin what the former president will articulate to the court then. Over to you in studio.